Welcome to Destination Perfect, your travel buddy for today, and I'm so excited to take you on a journey to one of the most vibrant cities in the Philippines. Today, we're diving into Olongapo City, a place that's so much more than just a stopover on the way to Subic. This city has its own unique charm, energy, and stories waiting to be discovered. Ready to find your perfect Olongapo spot? Let's jump in, explore together, and make this journey one for the books. Tara na, biyahe tayo. First stop, Subic Bay Boardwalk, which feels like the city's living room by the sea, where everyone comes to relax and unwind. This is where Olongapo's energy meets the calm of the bay, creating a unique spot that's both lively and peaceful. Imagine a long, inviting path right next to calm, sparkling water, with majestic mountains rising in the distance and a soft sea breeze brushing past you. The sound of gentle waves mixes with laughter and conversation, making it the perfect place to slow down and take it all in. Local people and tourists blend together here. Families stroll and chat, couples pause to watch boats drift by, and joggers take in the fresh air with every step. It's a place where everyone finds their own rhythm, whether you're out for exercise or just soaking up the view. Grab a bench, sample some delicious street food from friendly vendors, and just enjoy the relaxed, easygoing vibe. The aroma of grilled snacks fills the air, and every bite tastes better with a view of the bay. Sometimes, the best travel moments are the simplest. A beautiful view, a gentle breeze, and a place to just walk, think, and be present. Here, every stroll feels special. Subic Bay Boardwalk truly is the heart of Olongapo, full of life, scenery, and memories waiting to be made. Don't miss the chance to experience it for yourself. Time to make things more fun at Inflatable Island, Asia's biggest floating playground. Imagine a huge, colorful obstacle course with slides, swings, and trampolines, all floating on Subic Bay. Slip, slide, and laugh your way through. Falling in the water is half the fun. After all the action, relax at the Baloy lounge with comfy beanbags and a tropical feel. Perfect for friends, families, or people traveling alone. Everyone leaves with a smile. Inflatable Island is pure, playful energy. You have to visit if you love getting wet. Jump in and make some memories you'll never forget. Next, let's dive into the wonders of ocean adventure, Subic's unique open-water marine park, where the magic of the sea comes alive for visitors of all ages. Nestled along the beautiful coastline of Subic Bay, this park is a must-see destination for anyone who loves marine life and wants to learn more about our oceans. Enjoy lively sea lion and dolphin shows that blend fun, laughter, and important lessons about protecting the ocean. These performances are not just entertaining, they also inspire everyone to care for marine animals and their habitats. The Sea Lion Marine Patrol is packed with hilarious antics and clever tricks, but it also teaches you about the challenges sea creatures face and how we can help. Meanwhile, the Dolphin Friends show is truly breathtaking, showcasing the intelligence and grace of these amazing animals as they leap, spin, and interact with their trainers. For those seeking a real thrill, you can get up close and personal, swim with dolphins, touch them, and even learn from their expert trainers about how these gentle creatures live and communicate. If you want to explore even more, visit the Ocean Discovery Aquarium, where you'll see colorful fish and fascinating sea creatures, or try the Sea Trek adventure, where you can walk right on the seafloor, surrounded by schools of fish and the vibrant underwater world, all while wearing a special helmet. Ocean adventure is perfect for families, animal lovers, and anyone looking for a fun and meaningful day out by the sea. You'll leave with unforgettable photos, wonderful memories, and a brand new appreciation for the beauty and importance of sea life. Don't miss this one-of-a-kind Olongapo experience. Ocean adventure is waiting to welcome you. Ready for a wild trip? Zoobic Safari brings you face-to-face with nature's fiercest animals. Hop on a jeepney with cages and enter the tiger safari. Watch huge tigers jump just inches away. Explore the serpentarium Croco Loco and feed crocodiles if you're brave enough. Walk through the savannah to see pigs, wild boars, and ostriches, or learn about Ida culture on the Ida's Trail. Zoobic Safari is more than just exciting. It's a whole day of seeing animals and learning about culture. Perfect for families and people who love adventure. Experience the wild side of Olongapo. This is one safari you'll never forget. Time for some city fun at SM City Olongapo, the place for shopping and eating in the city. Shop for local and international brands, get things you need, or look for souvenirs. The food court and restaurants have everything from Filipino favorites to food from all over the world. Watch a movie at SM Cinema, or enjoy live events and shows. It's a cool, comfy break from adventures outside. SM City Olongapo is where local people and travelers relax, get food, and hang out. Experience the modern side of the city right here. Back to the coast, Baloy Beach is Olongapo's chill, local treasure. Enjoy volcanic sand, calm bay waters, and a relaxed feeling. Choose from resorts, guest houses, or floating bars. There's something for every budget. Swim, build sandcastles, or just relax with a meal by the beach. For adventure, try jet skis, banana boats, or paddleboarding. As the sun sets, the beach comes alive with music, grilled seafood, and friendly faces. Baloy Beach is simple, real beach life. It's the perfect escape from the busy city. Adventure time. Treetop Adventure lets you fly through Subic's rainforest. Start with a pretty canopy ride, then try the Superman zipline for a real rush of excitement. Be brave and do the tree drop, rappelling down from 60 feet high. Guides will share interesting facts about the forest and its animals. Every activity is good for nature, helping to protect it. It's an exciting way to see the jungle from up high. Treetop Adventure is perfect for people who love thrills and nature. Scream, laugh, and learn, all in one amazing experience. Don't miss this high-flying Olongapo highlight. Now for something different, Holy Land. Subic offers a trip through Bible history, walk through life-sized scenes, copies of ancient Jerusalem and the Stations of the Cross. Climb to the giant Jesus statue for amazing views and a quiet moment to think. Explore the Garden of Gethsemane and other holy places. It's a peaceful, immersive experience for visitors of all backgrounds. Holy Land. Subic mixes faith, art, and culture in a special way. Find peace and inspiration here. Food lovers, this one's for you. The Olongapo City Public Market is the city's beating heart. Dive into a lively world of fresh fruits and vegetables, seafood and local treats. Try suman, kakanin, or street food cooked right in front of you. Buy fresh seafood and have it cooked at a nearby Paluto restaurant. The market is a cultural experience. Practice your Tagalog, try to get a better price, and meet the local people. It's raw, real, and delicious. Don't just visit, experience Olongapo through its flavors. This is realness at its tastiest. Need a break? Marikit Park is Olongapo's green spot. Relax under shady trees, watch kids play, or join a Zumba class. Local people gather here for picnics, exercise, and fun. The park is simple, but loved. A true community place. It's a great spot to recharge and see everyday city life. Marikit Park shows Olongapo's heart beyond just the tourist spots. Enjoy a breath of fresh air in the city center. Shopping time. Subic Bay Freeport Zone is a duty-free paradise. Explore huge stores like Royal Subic and Pure Gold for imported treats and souvenirs. Look for good deals at outlet shops, Nike, Adidas, Guess, and more. Harbor Point Mall offers fancy shopping and dining by the water. The Freeport Zone is clean, green, and full of restaurants, hotels, and casinos. It's a world-class fun place that used to be a historic naval base. Spend a day exploring, shopping, and relaxing. The Freeport Zone is a must-see on any Olongapo trip. Step into the jungle with the Ida guides on the Pamulaklakin Forest Trail. Learn survival skills, find water, make fire, and cook rice in bamboo. Discover medicinal plants and animal tracks as you walk. The experience teaches you a lot about living in a way that protects nature and about indigenous culture. End your walk with a traditional Ida dance performance. This is real, community-based tourism that helps and teaches. Support the Ida people and connect with nature in a meaningful way. Pamulaklakin is a bridge between worlds, don't miss it. For the best view in town, climb to Olongapo Lighthouse. This historic spot offers wide views of the city, Subic Bay, and the mountains. The lighthouse connects to Olongapo's past, from Spanish times to today. It's a quiet place to think, take pictures, or just enjoy the scenery. Visit at sunrise or sunset for amazing colors. The climb up is worth every step. Capture the true feeling of Olongapo from above. Our final stop, Casa San Miguel in San Antonio, Zambales, a special place for art and music. Walk through beautiful gardens, explore art galleries, and feel the creative energy everywhere. Casa San Miguel helps young local people learn about art. Your visit supports their mission. Enjoy live music, art shows, and delicious food at their cafe. Stay overnight at their bed and breakfast for a deeper experience. It's a place where art changes lives and communities. End your Olongapo journey feeling inspired and happy. That's it for our Olongapo adventure, 14 unforgettable stops. From wild safaris to soulful art, Olongapo has something for everyone. If you enjoyed this trip, like, subscribe, and share Destination Perfect. Tell us your favorite spot or hidden gem in the comments. Keep exploring, keep discovering, and find your own perfect destination. This is Perfect, signing off, until the next trip.